Hello friends. Hi, I'm Dr. Rupali Jain. I am consultant neonatologist and pediatrician practicing in Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Today I'm going to discuss about complementary feeding, that is starting of solids for your newborn. So this topic is very large, so I've divided the whole discussion into two parts. The first part would be when to start and what to start with, and the second part would be the frequency and consistency of the meals that you need to introduce. I would recommend to view both the parts so that you have a holistic idea of how to go about complementary feeding for your kid. So first of all, complementary feeding is introduction of solids to your newborn when he or she is appropriate for age. Now, what is the appropriate age? If you go to the World Health Organization or Indian Academy of Pediatrics, they recommend 6 completed months of age to be the ideal age to start solids. But sometimes what happens is the child may have inadequate growth or increased demand, and in those conditions we can personalize and start a bit early as 5 months of age. So next is what to start complementary feeding with. So it's a very cultural based question as to what products you want to use to start complementary feeding. As to go about, very simple would be a rice paste which is very easy to digest, or a dal paste for the kid. In some cultures, fruits are also introduced first, which is very good and easily digestible. You can also use vegetable purees or something, but each vegetable should be introduced separately to the child as a first food. Now, one important thing that you need to keep in your mind while you introduce complementary feeding is you need to start baby on water. Because what happens is, as you introduce complementary feeding, there one or two breastfeeds drop during the day, and that can lead to constipation late. It won't happen exactly at 6 months as you introduce, but after 1 or 2 months of age, the kid starts developing constipation. So to avoid that from happening, it is very important to introduce sips of water to the child as you introduce complementary feeding. So I hope this was helpful. Now in the other part of this video, we would discuss about frequency and consistency of complementary feeds. Thank you.